Guys, what is up everyone? Welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video we're going to be having a look at Kadena. We're also going to be having a look at Multivac, MTV currently popping 18%. And as you know guys, we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin, currently up 1.7%, $51,680. It is the price. We are currently making a nice little breakout on Bitcoin. The reason why Bitcoin is I want to start with Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin's the leader, as we know, guys. The whole reason why this market's pumping is because Bitcoin. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you guys this, but we're going to be having a look at these three coins right here. Let's dive into Kadena real quick. This thing, when I last made the video, was about $10.50, I believe. It is currently up 60% ever since. $16, guys. So in approximately 5-6 days, we just made a nice little run of 65-70% approximately. So look at that, market cap $2.6 billion. This is the future, guys. In my opinion, Kadena KDA is going to be huge. Layer 1 blockchain, competitors of Ethereum, proof of work, mineable. This is going to be a very, very big coin in my opinion. Other one is Multivac, guys. For those of you guys who don't know, this is actually a new coin that I discovered a few months ago, but I never made a video about it. Multivac blockchain mainnet launches bring new mainnet launch brings new era of development. Okay, so this is going to be big, fast transactions. It's going to be huge in my opinion. The flexible network, Multivac is a flexible blockchain built around all-dimensional sharding. It's Poly protocol that seeks recognition for integrating large-scale decentralized application and enhanced transaction speed. This coin is being traded on KuCoin right now. And as we know, KuCoin is a top 5 exchange in my opinion. It is also, you know, as we know, it's on CoinMarketCap. It's top 5 KuCoin. Anyways, let's have a look right here. Currently being traded at 1.3 cents approximately. We got a market cap of $47 million. So this is huge. Now the other big thing that I want to have a look at is the volume. The volume has a 175% increase. We got 43,000 people on the watch list. Currently ranked 630 overall. So this coin, in my opinion, is going to be insanely big. Easily 10x in my opinion. This can go to 500 million market cap in this bull run, if not 1 billion, which would essentially be 20x from here. Multivac is definitely a coin you want to be accumulating, but only after you do your own research. So you could go ahead on the mtv.ac network or website, have a look at it. Before anything, guys, none of this is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. Let's dive into Bitcoin. Then we're going to be running into Kadena, then we're going to be running into MTV. So Bitcoin real quick. Okay, so first of all, as you guys know, guys, the trend is your friend until it bends. There is no question. Okay, so yes, you could say that we were a little bit like that and we broke the trend, but guess what, we didn't break it completely down, but or we didn't close up below it completely as we did. But another thing is we did come back and support this support region. Okay, so we have two support levels right here, peaks, or you would say, that we did come back and retested it. Another thing is this inverse head and shoulder right here. 1, 2, 3, broke out of it. Boom, broke out of it. As we know, when we have a breakout, we come back, retest, and then explode. Now a main level, guys, I'm not going to stay on Bitcoin for so long, but a main level we want to have a look at, guys, is 53,000, which is approximately right here. 53,000 is a huge level in my opinion, and the reason why that is because essentially, let me take that away, it's because essentially we have this strong resistance right here, and this is really going to dictate what happens if we're going to, you know, if this is all a fake out or a shakeout, whatever you want to call it, but it's really going to dictate our next moves. If we manage to break above 53,100 approximately, that's going to be fantastic. Make sure you always take profits. Don't be greedy, because we could have a massive move around this region. Another thing I want to have a look at, guys, is the inverse or the regular head and shoulder that we have on the daily time frame. Okay, so let me go back. This was really bad. If I bring this is a left shoulder, and then head, and then can we potentially have right here a left shoulder or a right shoulder? That is very, very possible. The neckline would approximately be something like this. As you guys can see, it would approximately be something like that. This would be the neckline for Bitcoin. If we manage to break that, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back again and retest our $30,000 level. And this is why we have to be careful in that region, guys. We got big whales. We know that head and shoulders play out, you know, 60-70% of the time. They don't always play out like this head and shoulder that we had right here. This was another big head and shoulder that we had, but as you guys know, once they come back, they could usually and essentially play out again. So this is something we definitely have to be careful. If not, we could come back all the way down here. Let's have a look at KDA Kadena, guys. Real quick update on KDA. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy. So first of all, we are entering right now the oversold or overbought region at 70, the 70 level right here. We came back, got rejected exactly at this region. This is why charts matter. This was a cross support resistance. Beautiful rejection. Now the other thing that we are meeting right now is a strong resistance right here. As you guys can see, we already got rejected right here at $16.03. Massive move right here. So whether we break that, it's really going to dictate what happens in the next few days or what the next move will be. If we manage to close above this level right here, that's going to be fantastic move because this would essentially be a base for Kadena right here. So what we can do is we can either get rejected, come back down right here to $12.3, then go back up. This is the number one scenario. The number two scenario is we break, come back, consolidate, and then go again. So this is why we have to be prepared. We always have to react to the charts and not predict the charts. And another thing is we are entering overbought area, and as we know, guys, when we have the overbought area, we usually get rejected around the region. So this is on the daily time frame. Let me have a look at MTV Multivac real quick. MTV Multivac, guys, also we came back. Look at this, boom. This is how you know you should buy the dip. If I take this right here and I put it at the resistance, the peak of the resistance, the highest where there was the biggest move, which was essentially right here, you could know, and you could essentially know that this is where your next buy would be. Now me, what I would do essentially is I wouldn't go all the way down because that's a little bit too exaggerated, but I would essentially put it right here. So you know that between the 9 and the 7 is a fantastic buy area. So as you guys can see, we were consolidating around that area for a week or so. And this is how you know buys are coming in. Another thing is we could go all the way up to 1.4 cents. As you guys can see, we do have a strong resistance right here as well. So right here, I would say, and if I extend this, it actually meets up exactly with this peak right here. So these are very important charts and important technical analysis that we have to look at. Another thing is right here, the RSI is currently above 50, currently at 56. Now, depending what happens in the next few days, really once again is going to dictate what happens. As you guys can see right here on the June 20, 2021, we got a rejection at 70. Right here we peaked a little bit above it, got rejected. Right here peaked a little bit above it, got rejected, and we were all the way overbought right here and had to come back for a essentially a retest, a correction, because we were crazy overbought. But anyways, guys, this is my video, my updates on Kadena, on Multivac, on Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.